This is Jen, your friendly real estate partner here in Antipolo. Welcome back to Living in the Perch and Sand Valley Estates, Antipolo, your go-to channel for discovering some of the most beautiful, peaceful, and secure communities here in Antipolo. Ngayon, excited ako to show you this amazing two-story modern home na matatagpuan nyo lang dito sa Phase 9 Sand Valley Estates. This property is perfect for growing families, or retirees, or kahit young professionals na gusto ng peace, quiet, without being too far from the city. This home is built with love and thoughtful planning. Sobrang ganda ng layout at every space has a purpose. And of course, located tayo isa sa pinaka-green and well-managed subdivision dito sa Antipolo. Let's start with the exterior. Ang una mong mapapansin dito, very modern yung facade. It has a big glass windows, clean lines, and neutral tones. Ang ganda ng architecture, contemporary but homey. And because of the wide glass elements, kung maglalagay ka ng chandelier sa loob, it's beautifully visible from the outside, adding elegance to your home first impression. And may option din tayong to install a front gate, perfect for added privacy and security. This is your carport area. Now, let's go inside. Pagpasok mo pa lang, wow! High ceiling, agad ang bubungad sa'yo. So, this creates a spacious, luxurious feeling, nakakadagdag ng value kapag mataas ang ceiling mo. So, dito sa living area mo, meron kang perfect spot for your media wall. Pwede mong i-mount ang TV mo dito and soundbar and decorative panels. Napakaliwanag na presko ng feeling kahit hindi ka pa naka-aircon. Thanks to the large windows all around, natural lights floods the entire space. It's the kind of layout that make you say, dito ko gusto tumira. And look at the flooring, neutral colored tiles, kaya madaling i-match sa kahit anong furnitures. And you have enough space for your sofa set, coffee table, or even an accent chair. So from the living area, may konting steps going down to your dining area. Sinunod niya yung contour ng lot, giving the entire floor a dynamic multi-level flow. So sa dining area, you can place 6 to 8 seater dining table, perfect for family dinners or entertaining guests. The ceiling is designed with cove lighting and may provision na rin for chandelier or hanging lights. Kaya you can personalize your space easily. And check this out, between the living and the dining area, meron kang built-in display cabinet. This is great for decorative pieces, family photos, or even your favorite book. On the right side of the dining, makikita nyo ang fully functional kitchen, ang daming upper and lower cabinets, so hindi ka mauubusan dito ng storage space. And we have here the granite countertop that can be used for meal preparation, shopping area, or even a coffee station. There's also enough space for kitchen appliances like your oven, microwave, or rice cooker. So, double sink setup na siya, so cleaning is convenient. This kitchen is designed for people who really cook at home, practical and stylish. So from the kitchen, meron kang backdoor access leading to the staff room. Meron na rin siyang sariling toilet and bath. Kaya very private and comfortable Kung meron kayong mga live-in helper, it's separated from the main living spaces, kaya may sense of independence din. So, balik tayo sa dining area. On your right side, you will find a flex room. Pwede mo siyang gawing room office, guest room, study area ng kids, or even a prayer room. And katabi niya, meron ka rin common bathroom, especially kung may bisita ka. They don't need to go upstairs. It's very accessible and clean. Now, this is one of my favorite parts, the lanai and the backyard. So, coming from the dining area, diretso ka na sa covered lanai. Perfect for morning coffee, weekend brunch, or just quiet reading time. And check this backyard. Malaki talaga. So, you have the freedom to design your own garden, or maybe put a grotto for Mama Mary, for Catholic, or pwede rin koi pond or water features. And pwede ka rin magtanim ng tree in the corner. It will give you a natural shade and a peaceful vibe. So this whole area has so much potential. Perfect for outdoor bonding moments with the family. Okay, so let's head upstairs. So dito sa stairs, meron kang storage area beside it. Para organize, walang kalat. Great for keeping tools, seasonal decors like Christmas trees, or cleaning supplies. And yung stairs mismo are wide and solid with elegant metal railings and wooden steps. Napaka-classy ng dating. And pag akyat mo, meron kang family area here. You can turn this into a second living room, study lounge, or game space. And check this out. Ang ganda ng view ng high ceiling from here. Kita mo yung living room below. Ang lakas talaga maka-elegante. Now, let's tour the bedrooms. You have 3 bedrooms here at lahat sila may sariling toilet and bath with shower. Okay, so bedroom 1 is perfect for kids, for teens, plenty of space, for a bed, study table, at meron ka na rin ditong built-in closet. Okay, so bedroom 2 is a bit more spacious. Meron siyang walk-in closet. This is great for older children or guests or who want more privacy. And finally, the master's bedroom, a total retreat. You have a walk-in closet, ensuite toilet and bath. And of course, your private balcony. So imagine waking up every morning, stepping outside for fresh air, and enjoying the serene view of Sand Valley. Napakatahimik, presko, and safe. Living in Sand Valley means you are surrounded by convenience and nature. You'll get access to golf course, sports plaza with basketball, tennis and more, multiple clubhouses, swimming pool and playgrounds, restaurants and cafes within the village. And malapit din tayo sa Robinsons and SM malls, supermarkets, and gas stations, churches, and banks, and schools. Kaya hindi mo na kailangan lumayo, andito na lahat ng kailangan mo. This modern home in Sand Valley Phase 9 is for sale at 29 billion pesos. Available for cash or bank financing. If you want a home that balances luxury, function, and nature, this might be the one you've been waiting for. I'm Jen Limiu, and I love to help you find your dream home. Contact me via Viber or WhatsApp 0917-816-5947. Email me at jennifer_limiu@yahoo.com. My Facebook is Jennifer Limiu. And kung may property kayo na gusto nyong i-feature dito sa vlog, let's work together. I'll be happy to add it to my listings and help you market it to the right buyers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more property tours here in Living in the Perch and Sand Valley Estates, Antipolo. Maraming salamat sa panonood. See you in the next tour. Jesus, we trust in you. Mama Mary, we love you.